Oh yeah, oh yeah. Everything gonna be alright this morning. Now when I was a young boy, at the age of 5, my mother said I'd be the greatest man alive. But now I'm a man, I made 21. I want you to believe me, honey, we're having lots of fun. I'm a man, I spell him